Hello, my name is Sarah Duong. I am a project manager and consultant at Concentrus. Today, I want to do a quick intro into grants for the non-for-profit version of NetSuite. Grants, in a nutshell, is a custom segment. So the custom segment is used to track grant information and also to further segment out or classify your financial statements or any of your reporting data. I'm going to go through kind of how to create a grant really quickly and the impacts and show you the impacts it has to your financial statements. So the first thing is I went to grants. I go to the NFP Financial Center. I go under grant management and under grants. So at this point, I just click grants. It takes me to this grants list page. As you can see, there's a few grants already created here. I can go ahead and create the new, click on the new grant button, and it will take me to an entry form where I can create a new grant. At the very minimum, I need to input a name, and under the primary information is all the standard stats for that grant. I can further classify these grants. I can also go to other information, which is additional information related to that grant, where I can use in further data or save searches just to dig deeper into the analysis. Okay. How these grants are being used is in every transaction. So you can see here, I'm in a pledge. I can go down to the item level, and under the grants section, I will pick a grant. And what it will do, so I can do this on both the pledge and on the bill side, as you can see here. And what it will do is how it will impact your income statement. So typically, if you just go to, let's say, financials and to your regular income statement, it will view just the consolidated version. However, since this is a custom segment, you can segment this income statement out even further by going into column, selecting how you would like to view, which we're going to view it by grants. I'm going to click refresh. And now you can see it took my consolidated income statement and broke it down into the individual grants. You can see here specifically under FSH Foundation, this grant has had $131,200 of donations or pledges coming in or contributions. Okay, so that is grants in a nutshell. If you have any questions or if we can help set you up on further new grants, feel free to reach out to us at Concentrus, and thanks for watching.